In this video, we will learn how to factory reset a Samsung Chromebook. This method is applicable for any model of Samsung Chromebook. If for some reason the Chromebook gets frozen, or you forgot the password and cannot log in, or the Chromebook doesn't work properly, then by resetting or by factory reset the Chromebook, those problems can be solved. So let's do it. So for factory reset, we need to press this button, that button and power button together. So this one, that one and power button simultaneously. So let's do it. So press ESC, this one and power button. So press and hold until you see the light on the screen. So press and hold here. So light come back. So release. Now it says Chromebook operating system is missing or damaged. Please insert a recovery USB stick or SD card. But we do not need USB stick or SD card. What we can do, press Ctrl Alt and D. This one, Ctrl Alt and D. So press Ctrl Alt and D. Now it says to turn operating system verification off, press enter. So press enter, this one. Now it says operating system verification is off. Press space to re-enable. So we need to press this one, space. Now it says operating system verification is off. Press enter to confirm you wish to turn operating system verification on. So we need to press enter. So press this one. Now it says your system will reboot and local data will be cleared. So it will delete everything on its hard disk and it would be like a new Chromebook. Yes, the factory reset is done. That's it. Thanks for watching.